Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If your iPhone is not receiving calls, don't worry, you're not alone. This is a pretty common issue, and the good news is it's usually easy to fix. In this video, I'll walk you through a few quick things you can check to get your calls working again. Let's get started. First, check if focus mode is turned on. Swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to open the control center. Look for focus. If it's enabled, tap on it to turn it off. Focus modes like Do Not Disturb can silence incoming calls without you even noticing, so this is always the first thing to check. Next, take a look at your network signal. Check the top of your screen and make sure you have signal bars. If your signal is weak or missing, your iPhone won't be able to receive calls. Try moving to a different location or toggling airplane mode on and off to refresh your connection. Now let's check your call settings. Open the Settings app, scroll down, and tap on Apps. Next, scroll down again and tap on Phone. Then find Silence Unknown Callers. If this is turned on, your iPhone will automatically silence calls from numbers that aren't saved in your contacts. So if you're expecting calls from new numbers, go ahead and turn this off. Also, tap on Blocked Contacts and make sure the number you're expecting isn't blocked. If it is, remove it from the list. Here's a quick extra tip. Make sure your iPhone isn't connected to a Bluetooth device like headphones or a car system, because sometimes calls may go there instead. After going through all these steps, try calling your iPhone again and see if the issue is fixed. Alright, that's it. Simple checks, but they solve most of the time. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more quick and practical iPhone tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.